Hello everyone, this is Dr. Arul Murugan. I am working as an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, KPR Institute of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. So we have procured two robots from Kavin Incorporation. So one is building robot, another one is a coating related robot. So they are offering very good services. Their commitment to the customers are very impressive and excellent. So we procured that particular robot 2 years back. Whatever may be the complaints we have received, they come immediately and solve all the problems related to that particular robot. So they are the best welding robot integrators in Coimbatore. Kindly consider kindly visit their stall and give some business opportunity to Kavin Corporation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.